In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a DMARC record for GoHighLevel email domains. DMARC helps protect your sending reputation and improves email deliverability by telling receiving mail servers how to handle messages that fail authentication. It works alongside SPF and DKIM, so getting it in place is a smart move before you scale your emailing. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account through the official website. If you're using GoHighLevel in your browser, you'll find the official website link at the top of the description. Once you're signed in and on your dashboard, we'll quickly confirm that your sending domain is already set up. Head to Settings, then open Email Services. Make sure your domain is added and verified there. If SPF or DKIM still show as unverified, pause and finish those first, because DMARC builds on them. Next, prepare your DMARC record. A simple starting value is via DMARC1 PA none. Arua mail to you@yourdomain.com. The PA none policy is a monitoring mode, which means you'll receive reports without blocking mail. Replace the email address with a mailbox you actually monitor, since that's where aggregate reports will be sent. Now, go to your domain provider, such as the company where you purchased your domain. Log in and open your domain's dashboard. From there, find your DNS settings. This may be called DNS Management or DNS Zone Editor, depending on the provider. Add a new DNS record and choose TXT as the type. For the host or name field, enter DMARC exactly like that, with the underscore. For the value or content field, paste your DMARC record string. Leave the TTL at its default or set it to automatic. Some providers automatically append your domain name to the host field, so just use that DMARC and don't repeat the domain. Also, don't add extra quotes unless your provider requires them. Save the record. After saving, your DNS may take time to update. Propagation can be quick, but it may take several hours depending on your DNS host. Once you've given it a bit of time, verify that the DMARC record is active. You can use a public DNS checker to look up the TXT record for DMARC@yourdomain.com or return to GoHighLevel to confirm it's recognized. Finally, after you've monitored reports and confirmed alignment looks good, you can update your policy if needed. Many senders start with PX none, then move to PE quarantine, and eventually PET reject to fully protect their domain once everything is stable. That's it. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your email setup.